Hello! In this session I'm going to show you how to estimate roots. Okay, so we're going to see an idea of how to estimate roots. There are many ways to estimate roots and there are many ideas to approximate roots. And here I'm going to show you one of them, that is using our perfect squares. So let's say that the root we're going to estimate is 130. So the first thing that you can do is to find out where is the radicand in terms of perfect squares. So find perfect squares close to the radicand. So in this case, our radicand 130 is between 121 and 144. So it means that this radicand is between the square root of 121, that is 11, and the square root of 144, that is 12. Now, 130 is closer to 121 than 144. So we're going to focus on the 11th part. Now, what I'm going to do is to take a division of 130 and 11. So I'm going to divide radicand by the root of the perfect square. Okay, so in this case, what I'm going to do is just take this 130 divided 11. Okay, so if I divide it, I'm gonna get 1. Okay, so it will be 1. I'm gonna get 2 left. 11 to 20 is going to be 1. Okay, so 220 is going to be 9. So the next factor will be 90. Sorry. The next term here will be 90. And 90 with 11, it's going to be about 8. Yes, 8 times 11 is 88. Yes, we're going to get 2 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to round it to 11.81. Okay, so I performed the division between 130 and 11 and it gets me 181. So now I'm just going to see if my multiplication 100.81, I'm going to do an average between, find the midterm between 11 and 11.81 to see, to find my estimation. So average numbers. So if I average the numbers, 11 plus 11.81 divided by 2 is gonna get me, okay, I'm gonna do it quickly, that would be 22.81 divided 2. Look at that, I'm doing 2 decimal places. And now it will be 11.405. Okay, so 11.405. Okay, so I'm going to estimate using only 1 decimal place, so it will be 11.40. So my estimation of this root will be the square root of 130 should be about 11.40. Okay, so now let's see how good is our estimation. So 11.40 times 11.40, that is to the second power. I'm going to multiply them. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1, 4, and 1, 5. 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 is going to be 4, and this 11 will be 4, and with this one will be 4, 11. Okay, so 6, 5 and 4, 9, 9, 1 and 1, 2, 121. So it will be 129.96 is this number to the second power. So it's kind of close. It's kind of close, you know. 129 to the second power. So this is our estimation gets to a number that it's pretty close to 130. But I would like to have a closer term, so you can continue by applying another division. So you just need to take the division of 130 divided 100.4, get the answer, average, and you're gonna get a better approximation of the number. Okay, you can repeat it as many times as you can. Maybe you can use a spreadsheet to do it, but just for this video it was just this process. And what is the process? I just find out perfect squares that are surrounded the number, then select which perfect square is closer to the number, in this case 11, perform the division of the radicand and the root of the perfect square, and average these two numbers to find out where is our perfect square. It's good to test it to know how close is our number. So I hope that this information helps you to understand how to estimate roots. Remember that this is a way in which you can strike your mind to improve it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.